If your Hypori virtual workspace is not behaving as expected, performing a restart may be a good place to start your troubleshooting efforts. The following instructions describe how you can restart your Hypori virtual workspace. When you perform this restart, you are rebooting your Android-based virtual workspace that is running in the cloud, not your physical iOS device. From the home screen of Hypori Client, swipe down on the screen to reveal the Notifications menu. The appearance of your Notifications menu may differ slightly depending on your Hypori Client settings. Select Disconnect. A pop-up menu will ask you to confirm that you want to exit your Hypori virtual workspace. Select Disconnect. In the Accounts menu, select the gear icon next to the name of your virtual workspace to open the Settings menu. Select the Restart on Next Connect switch. When enabled, the switch will slide to the right and change color. This setting tells your Hypori virtual workspace to reboot the next time you connect to it. After enabling the switch, select Back to return to the Accounts menu. In the Accounts menu, select the name of your virtual workspace. Since it is restarting, connecting to your virtual workspace will take a few moments longer than usual. Once connected, you will be taken to the home screen. You can resume using your virtual workspace as you normally would. For more information on Hypori, visit www.hypori.com.